Thanks, Christopher. Meanwhile, Tivoli Gardens FC returned to winning ways after beating Chapelton Maroons 2-0 at home in the early game on Monday. Radhika Wellington gave the home team a well-deserved lead in the 32nd minute, one they held going into the halftime break. Tivoli Gardens had an opportunity to make it 2-0 in the 59th minute, but dead ball specialist Nicola Fuller could not convert from the penalty spot. The second goal would, however, come, but in the 9th minute of time added on, Justin Dunn sealing the 2-0 win.
First and foremost, congratulations to the Tivoli family. Well tried, Chapelton Maroon. Today's game, if you notice, Chapelton didn't lay down and die. They came here to play, and you could see from, as early as, the first whistle that started the game, they were up and running.
The defeat was a 6th for Chapelton Maroons in a remarkable run, which has seen them winless since victory in their first 3 matches to start the season.
This means a lot to the team, the fact that, we're coming off back-to-back loss, and we're hoping that we can continue in the same vein.
The result pushes Tivoli Gardens up to 6th on the table on 18 points. 13th place Chapelton Maroons are on 12 points.